Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use black and white option on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the right bar, tap to the second icon, the pencil, and you can find the fourth row. New, just click to the black and white option under the vintage. And here you can find different options. For example, I want to select the film, just click that. You can add different color filter for that, and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, or the grain. And you can find these styles. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.